Welcome to my world of food, wine, and of course, Italian culture. Of course, I'm here in the beautiful part of northern Italy that we know as Veneto. And I've been fortunate enough to be granted a wonderful interview with the Sgambaro family. Sgambaro, of course, is a pasta company that has been going for 3 generations. It started its life in Padova and has progressed to a very upmarket plant here right in Treviso. And of course, the wonderful thing about this company is that it's really committed to green technology, and it has, I guess, embraced what we know as healthy living. And of course, on that note, I'm going to introduce you to the importer of the wonderful Sgambaro pasta. Allora, I would like to introduce, of course, Mr. Cesare Zanchi, who is the owner of Zanchi Import, and he is the local importer here into Australia of Sgambaro pasta. Now, how long have you been working on this project, Cesare?
8 anni. Abbiamo voluto lanciare questa pasta perché è l'unica pasta certificata al 100% grano duro italiano e al momento è l'unica al mondo.
So, he's been working on this project for 8 years. As he says, and we must be reminded that Sgambaro is 100% certified organic, and they use 100% durum wheat. So this is all certified, very, very important. And as I said, they're very much into green energy, and this is the way of the world, isn't it? And on that note, I'm going to go and have a little bit of a chat with Flavio, who's one of the owners of the Sgambaro pasta company. Allora, I would like to introduce you to Flavio Sgambaro. L'ho detto giusto?
Exactly.
We roll the R. Allora, Flavio, of course, tell me where we are. This is the main production plant for Sgambaro pasta. Where are we?
Okay, we are in Treviso. This is our factory. This factory was founded in 1961 in this place.
Wow.
And now it's managed by the family. Now we are the 2nd generation.
Right.
I'm very happy to stay with you today, and I'm sorry for my bad English.
I love it.
No,
it is wonderful. There's something about foreign
I very
speaking.
apologize. I prefer to speak with the same language of my grain, Italian.
Well, how about you speak a little bit of an Italian and I'll speak a little bit of English and it'll all kind of work.
Okay.
Okay, I love it. It's so romantic, isn't it? The story of pasta is romantic, isn't it?
Yeah.
In a way. And I think we have to say, well, we have to give a lot of value to your uncle and your father that first started this, this company. And of course, you have taken it into the 20th century, haven't you?
Yeah. Questa azienda, come dicevo prima, è nata nel 61 in questo posto. Ora la gestiamo direttamente noi, siamo i figli e i cugini. Il nostro obiettivo è di passarlo poi anche alla 3ª generazione.
So his objective is, of course, they are 2nd generation, but they want to pass it on to the 3rd generation.
Con obiettivo.
With one objective.
Fare qualcosa che qualcuno prima di noi non ha mai fatto, ovvero una pasta certificata al 100% fatta con grano duro italiano.
So the important thing is that they want to produce a pasta that is certified and produced with 100% durum wheat that is here from Italy.
Yeah,
local.
This is our identity.
Yeah, that's because a lot of other companies cannot do that, can they? Maybe they're too big? Is that the problem?
Exactly. La maggior parte dei pastifici compra la semola, noi invece andiamo a comprare il grano direttamente nei campi, sono campi italiani con grano di altissima qualità proteica che siamo in grado di trasformare poi in un'ottima pasta.
All right, so the important thing is that I guess differentiates this company from the larger, more commercial ones is that they're able to purchase all the wheat locally in all parts of Italy, and of course they're looking for a pasta with a very high protein content, yes?
Exactly.
And the higher the protein content,
50%.
Wow, the
It's
better
very
the
high.
pasta, vero?
Yeah.
And that makes it digestible, because people say you cannot digest pasta, but that's not true, is it?
No, è molto digestibile,
Sì,
non ci sono problemi. Pay attention to the sauce.
Yeah.
Absolutely. La pasta è molto digeribile, è leggera, better if it's organic.
Yes, yes.
Like kamut pasta, spelt pasta.
Can we just explain exactly what kamut is?
Oh, kamut, normally people knows like a grain.
It's a grain, a very
But-
ancient grain, yes?
Yeah, but kamut in really is a brand che distingue una qualità di grano il cui nome è Khorasan. È un nome antico, di un grano antico, che è sempre stato uguale a se stesso, non ha mai avuto mutazioni genetiche.
So he's saying that this particular grain is called Khorasan. I know that it is produced in Canada and America, the United States of America, and so kamut is just the generic name, and it is a grain that actually has not been genetically modified. So in this day and age where we're looking for healthier living, kamut has become very, very important.
Yeah.
Now what about farro?
Farro is
Spelt
also,
grain.
spelt grain is farro, è un grano antico italiano.
So that is also an antique grain, but it is Italian because the
It's
Romans, it
very
goes back to the
similar.
Romans, doesn't
It's
it?
very similar to the Khorasan,
Yes.
ma ha delle qualità diverse e un gusto molto diverso rispetto al kamut. Kamut è più dolce, più simile al grano duro. Il farro invece ha un profumo più antico, lo si sente, è più carico, sembra quasi un biscotto.
Oh, now isn't that interesting? So what Flavio is saying, that kamut is a beautiful grain, but it's slightly sweeter, whereas the farro, which is essentially Italian, has got more depth. It's stronger. It's got just more, a bit of oomph.
Absolutely.
They say about Italians, a bit of oomph.
E io voglio che gli australiani possano provare questa qualità di grani, questa qualità di pasta.
And his objective is, of course, for Australia to understand exactly about the quality of this beautiful wheat.